right, so we got Jeff and Amanda. This is their first time making pens. Hey, let's see those pens.
Let's see 'em. Oh, that black is so sick.
Both made 2 pens. We got a
Yeah.
combination here. We got oak and purple heart. We got walnut there, and we got oak and walnut there. Lovely couple. What you guys think of that class?
It was really fun.
A lot of fun?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, you enjoyed that?
Yes.
That was pretty easy, right?
It
Yeah.
was pretty easy, yeah.
Yeah?
Picked it up pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Introduction to a lifetime hobby.
Lifetime
Picked it up to
hobby.
begin
There you go.
with.
Well, we appreciate you coming out today.
Yeah, of course.
you.
Thanks so much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.